how testosterone replacement therapy is boosting men's wellness. Are you feeling the effects of low testosterone? Do you find yourself struggling with fatigue, mood swings, and a decreased sex drive? Fear not. The world of men's wellness has undergone a revolution, with companies now offering testosterone replacement therapy services delivered straight to your doorstep. Testosterone is a crucial hormone for men, responsible for regulating the male sex drive, generating sperm, and maintaining muscle mass, among other functions. As men age, their testosterone levels naturally decline, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, depression, and decreased muscle mass. Fortunately, the rise of online testosterone therapy services has made it easier than ever to address these issues. From testosterone replacement therapies, TRT, to supplements designed to optimize existing testosterone levels, a range of options are now available at the click of a button. Gone are the days of inconvenient in-person visits to the doctor. Now, men can have their testosterone needs met from the comfort of their own home. However, it's important to approach testosterone therapy with caution. Replacing testosterone externally can have implications for fertility and long-term hormone production. Additionally, lifestyle factors such as exercise, diet, and sleep can also impact testosterone levels, offering natural alternatives to therapy. Administering testosterone is not like popping a multivitamin, to be sure. Replacing testosterone exogenously shuts down the body's own production, which means you have to stay on it to maintain any positive effects. Younger guys should also consider their own fertility, since TRT can hinder or stop sperm production. And there are certainly ways to naturally keep your own testosterone levels at their peak. Proper exercise, a good diet, and sufficient sleep are all good places to start. But many men with low or lower than average levels notice that their moods, muscles, and moves in the gym and in the bedroom are all improved by boosting or optimizing their T. We recognize, though, that sifting through the options out there can be a bit daunting. What you need and where to get it are important questions, to say nothing of if you need testosterone therapy at all. So consider this your what to know before you go shopping guide to online testosterone therapy.